The Autel Mx Sensor, operating across both 433 and 315 MHz frequencies, presents itself as a dedicated automotive accessory engineered for comprehensive tire pressure monitoring system management. This product is clearly positioned as a foundational element for professionals engaged in vehicle maintenance and tire service, offering a specialized solution within the broader category of tire repair tools. At its core, this device functions as a versatile Tpms MX sensor, designed to seamlessly integrate with and address various aspects of tire pressure monitoring. Its capabilities extend to scanning functions, making it an essential component for diagnostics. Crucially, it serves as both a tire pressure monitor tester and a programmer, indicating a dual role in evaluating existing systems and configuring new or replacement sensors. The inclusion of both common frequencies ensures broad applicability across a wide range of automotive systems. For automotive technicians and service centers, the practical applications of this tool are significant. It facilitates efficient testing of Tpms setups to identify issues and provides the necessary functionality to program MX sensors, ensuring correct operation after tire service or sensor replacement. Its designation as a key component within tire repair tools underscores its utility in everyday tire maintenance and more intricate repair scenarios involving vehicle tire pressure systems. As an automotive accessory and professional tool, the Autel Mx sensor implies a design focused on practical utility and integration into established workflows. Its identity as a tester and programmer suggests an inherent requirement for precision and consistent performance, attributes critical for accurate readings and reliable sensor configuration in a professional environment. The focus on specific frequencies further highlights its specialized and targeted engineering. Overall, the Autel Mx Sensor 433-315 Tpms stands out as a highly specialized and multifaceted device. It effectively combines sensor technology with essential diagnostic and programming capabilities, positioning it as a central component for thorough tire pressure monitoring system management and repair tasks in the automotive sector.